Hey, what's up? This is Norris. Welcome back to another monthly makes. Now, all these garments I didn't actually make in the month of July, but it has been so long since I showed you some items that I made. I just accumulated the ones I made over the past few months to put in this monthly makes. All right. So the first one are these green silk satin looking pants. I plan to wear these out, and I made them from a pajama pattern that I showed you. If you haven't seen my most recent pattern purchases, these were one of the patterns, and this is how they came out. Now, it didn't come with a back patch pocket, so I included that right here. But other than that, that's it. I didn't have to taper the pants because I wanted a loose fitting kind of vibe. And I think I'm gonna wear them with sneakers to give it more of a streetwear look, but still kind of like a high fashion chic vibe too. Next is a shirt that I made maybe a couple of months ago. Ever since we left filming in Denver, I've been in the mood to making really cool shirts because one of the crew guys came in with crazy shirts like every day. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go find some crazy fabric, bold fabric, and pretty much do the same thing for this summer. So these were one of the first ones that I made when we got back from filming. All right. Now, like I told you, I was on that crazy shirt vibe for a little bit. And this shirt right here was a pattern that I created. There's no sleeves, has raw edge. It's pretty much a drop shoulder, but it gives the illusion of sleeves because of the design. And this specific shirt, I actually teach you how to make it in Sword Academy July course. This was the actual one I made on camera for July course of Sword Academy. And I made this one maybe a few weeks before. I really love this shirt. I've made it maybe like 4 or 5 times now, and it's like the perfect all-purpose shirt. Depending on the fabric, you can wear it during the spring, summer months. And if you switch it up to like more of a heavier cotton, you can wear it throughout the fall, winter months. And you also can layer it up underneath this shirt with like a turtleneck, all right? So next, I'm going to show you the pants that I made for my rehearsal dinner for the wedding. I did not make these pants for the dinner. We were just running last minute, and I didn't have time to make anything, but I did have these already made. So I paired these up with a button-up shirt, a tie, and my black and white penny loafers, and it came out as a really cool fit. I like these because I modified the front of the pants to have a pleat right here in the front. And if you notice, all of my pants like this usually don't have belt loops. I just don't like wearing belt loops with dress pants. I just like them being fitted and having a clean finish. So as you see right here, I have the extended band right there. I'll show you the inside of them a little bit. I put a little bias binding right here just to have a little clean finish. I inserted darts. I pretty much modified these entire pants. And if you look at the welts, my welt game has gotten so great over the past years. I think that's pretty much it. I got a nice size cuff on the bottom. I would say that's about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches. And it looks really good. And these are like a negative break. They don't touch my shoes. You see a lot of ankle, but it don't look like high water. This is like right there in between. And because I wanted to do a full set, I made this shirt. But throughout the process, I ended up that I didn't have enough of the baby blue fabric. So I ended up using fabric that was similar in weight with the navy. And it came out pretty good. I haven't styled this up or dressed it up yet. Actually, that's a lie, I did. I put this outfit on, I photographed it, and I didn't like it. And I was like, you know what? I want to style it differently. So I'm gonna style it again, and hopefully I like the way I style it this time. And you will see this on the blog very soon. And last but not least, this right here is our most recent pattern for simplicity, 8962, which is a men's button-up jacket. And this right here is the one I actually made for the video tutorial. As you can see, I still haven't finished it. Only thing I have to do is apply my sleeves. But I just want to show you how it will look. The sleeves, oh, this is the one for this side. The sleeves came out really good. It's gonna fit just like that. I have to put my buttonholes and my buttons here, which are the surgeon sleeves right there. And the jacket has the welt pockets on the inside, as you can see, just like that. Breast pocket on the left side. And like you see on the cover, it has the patch pockets, which is an easy sew. Just put it on for you real quick. But there it is. Now just imagine me having the sleeves on. It's gonna be a real tapered looking jacket. And I can't wait to finish it up, put the buttons on, and rocking it for you. All right, that includes all my monthly makes for July. Remember to tag me on Instagram if you making any garments and just want me to look at them. And also leave me a comment below if you have any questions on fabrics or patterns from any one of these garments. All right, until next time, see you next week.